George Bati. Piny owacho chano gero udi ma kwan gi nyalo romo 250,000 e yor lony ma nyasani. Utego mageto kwan omenda mani piny kopim kod gedo mamoko. Ka oloso e romo mar ohala e kind Kenya kod Korea. Jatend migawo mar tudruok kod lony ma nyasani Eliud Walo owacho ni piny owacho oseketo kenge mag neno ni oganda obedo kod ute manengogi oyweyo. Nonro mar piny owacho yango ni ka chop dwe mar 12 higa mokalo, sekta mar gedo mag ute ne osesiro ochumi mar Kenya gatamalo 6.7.
The construction sector in particular is challenged therefore to keep up with the pace of digital technology and of course cope with the speed and rate of change in the dynamic operational environment. ICT innovations therefore are opening up new horizons of possibilities in the construction industry, just like in many other sectors of our global economy. Moving forward, we are going to explore viable collaborations and partnerships that tie up digital possibilities within the construction industry and with significant or particular emphasis on durability and affordability within the context of the Kenya Kwanza affordable housing agenda.
It's good to see as a country that we are learning and sharing our experiences. Africa is growing fast and we need strong partnerships and those who can help us to ensure the infrastructure we build are smart. And this forum really comes at the right time to ensure we build such infrastructure.
I encourage the participants at this forum to pull wisdom and build a consensus to help write a new chapter in our Korea-Kenya Comprehensive Strategy.